sunrise. Beautiful. Wave, people go sort with it. Today is our last day here. We're a beach. Boy, this wave is really fast. It's good to see. That wave. Look at this beautiful skyrise condominium. Vacation. Sometimes just you relax. View or places. Yesterday we went to just the winter shopping. For the store. When you come here, oh, there's a lot of shell. Maybe I have to pick up some shell. There's a lot. Maybe I have to pick up some. Yeah, there's a lot. The shell is good for it's good for my plant, pots. Yeah, I have to come back here and get all the shell. Videoing too. Go get this. Here in Atlantic is a beautiful ocean. There's a lot of seaweeds too. And all my stuff. See, this beach is really quiet. You can walk. Sun good. I like to hear this, the sound of the wave. Okay, that's it. I have to go back.